Today I'm making caramelized onions. So I sprayed my pan with spray and cook, and I lightly sprayed it with a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm adding my onions. I just chop them like this because this is how I prefer to have it. You can chop it however you want it. So now I'm just adding it to my greased pan. Once all my onions are added, I'm just going to lightly stir it around. As you can see, it's already starting to get a bit of color. So now you have to be patient because this is a process, but it's totally worth it. So now I'm just going to keep stirring it around like this till I get it kind of nice and brown like that on all sides. As you can see, the onions are starting to become nice and golden brown. So at this point, it's a personal preference. I usually add a few drops of the tenderized sweetener because myself and my mom personally like when it's a little bit sweeter. So I'm just going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. That's it. And I'm just going to mix it through and continue browning the onions. At this point, my onions are nice and golden brown. So what I usually do now is I will add a little bit of Pepsi Max. Okay? Julle, en as julle gaste hoor kry, daar's niks lekkerder as gebraaide eie om hulle tuis te laat voel nie, hoor? So ek gaan nou 'n bietjie Pepsi Max add. So ek meet met die oog. Daai stoom gaan julle my nie kan sien nie. So ja, ek gooi maar net so klein bietjie in, dan lyk hy so, dan gaan ek hom net begin roer. Wat nou gaan gebeur is die eie gaan nou bietjie meer sagter word. So what the Pepsi Max does, it's just going to soften the onions now, and it's going to make it a little bit more flavorsome. Because the only ingredients that's in here is your little bit of sweetener, your Pepsi Max, and your onion. That's it. That's all this requires. But again, it requires patience because you have to stand here and you have to stir it, move it around, keep an eye on it, make sure it's how you want it. We don't want it to be completely soft, personal preference. We like when it has a little bit of a crunch to it. So I'm just going to leave it till most of the Pepsi Max has evaporated, and then it will be done. So now all the Coke Zero has evaporated. Now you can hear the sizzle. And that's where the glazing starts happening, and we are caramelizing. And we are done. There's your caramelized onions. Now I'm just going to add it to my bowl. So just for reference, if you want to see what caramelized onions looks like on a very delicious Dukan burger, we're going live this afternoon. So you can always go back to that video to see what it looks like when it's done and on a burger.